Assalamu alaikum and hi to everyone. Lots of blessings and love for you all. Today I am going to present to you 9 very important points regarding the training of children. So let's take start. Point number 1. Insulting with bad words in the time of anger. Number 2. Humiliating with downgrading objectives. Number 3. Comparing to a sibling, a relative, or a friend. Number 4. Conditional love. If you tidy your room, I will love you more. Number 5. Inaccuracies. Do not cry, guys. Don't cry. It's wrong. Number 6. Threatening. Do this or else. Number 7. Refusing for no reason. I said no. Why not? Because I said no. Number 8. Beating obvious enough. Point number 9. Shaming. Do you remember when you used to do this and that? Shame on you. May Allah grant us parents the wisdom to deal with children in the noblest ways. That's all for today. See you soon. Bye bye and fi amanillah.